I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a life for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to run my stocking. There are come different days. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. And I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the Easter snow. I will make a list and send it to the North Pole for sending. I will never stay awake to hear those magic reindeer play. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. All the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing as she just like those ringing. Santa, won't you bring me the one I really need? Won't you please bring my baby to me? I don't want enough for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just wanna see my baby standing right outside my door. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. May my wish come true. Daddy, all I want for Christmas is you.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the
trimestre va començar amb molta incertesa.
No sabíem què passaria.
Ni a què ens anàvem a enfrontar.
Però, poquet a poquet,
tots ens vam anar adaptant a la nova normalitat de l'escola.
I hi ha una nota que encara no us hem donat.
La nota contra la Covid.
I com no podia ser d'una altra manera,
teniu tots un any més que merescuda matrícula d'honor.
Gràcies per tot l'esforç,
Valentia i superació.
Ens heu demostrat que
Vindre al col·le
Us fa tan feliços com a nosaltres.
i no hi ha cap cosa
que ens faça estar més orgullosos
de la nostra professió. Enhorabona a tots i totes.